sweating. I'm sweating my shirt. I'm sweating my shirt. My shirt.
Previously on L's Kitchen. Spooder has been trying to develop a dish for about 50 minutes in, and it has been done. Let's see what the judges think.
Bet. Let's go, baby.
And here's your host.
What up, guys? It's your boy Johnny. Hey, man. Long time no see. Hey, man. We back in here.
Sir.
What the fuck you want, bro? I was
trying
trying to open the show, God.
Yeah, it's Gordon
Oh,
Ramsay.
fuck no. Hey, bro, why you didn't? No. Fuck that.
Five
Fuck,
times,
bro.
You're gonna have to answer
Give me
this,
the
bro.
phone. Hey, what up, Gordon?
Fuck up,
What's going
Spooder.
on,
See you
bro?
using my fucking show's name and intro for this fuck shit you
Yo,
got
what
going
you
on.
mean, Steve?
I'm calling Levon.
Whoa, you know.
Bro, fuck, we're on borrowed time, bro. Just bring in the first contestant.
Hey, what it do, family? Hey, what's going on? Hey, bro, I present to you my...
The fuck is that?
Oh,
Hey, yo!
my heavens!
So what that bowl is a rice.
brother,
this guy stinks. That bitch.
Hey, bro, don't. Hey, yo, don't eat that.
Yo, what are you
bro.
doing?
Hey,
Stop. Don't do it, bro. I'm telling you.
Yo, I told him somebody cornered me. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Bro, that's not
He's still
dehydrated, boy, looking like he got out of a tsunami, bro. Somebody go to your commercial.
Yo, he took another bite, bro.
Why is he still here? Security.
Part 2, question mark?